on-page SEO. In this SEO course, my friends, we will now begin our discussion on the crucial topic of on-page SEO. Today in this video, we will learn what on-page SEO exactly is. But later on, we will learn about all the activities or checklist in the upcoming video, and then we will learn to practice them, like how all those activities are practically and effectively carried out in on-page SEO, so that you can easily make your website SEO friendly, user friendly and search engine friendly. Alright, I hope you have understood it, friends. What is on-page SEO? Let me explain it to you in very simple language, okay? So let's say, for example, any website, okay? Now look carefully, what do we have to do with this website? On-page SEO. On-page and off-page SEO are two fundamental types of SEO that we do, each playing a key role in boosting a website's performance, visibility and ranking on search engines. But what's the role of on-page? So friends, basically on-page SEO is done directly on your website, focusing on various aspects. And this is applied to the various web pages of your website. A website doesn't have just one page, right? 5 page, 10 page, 20 page, even 100 or 500 page. There are even more. So friends, the proper, reliable and effective way to optimize each page, whether by following the parameters that Google uses or adhering to the regulations, is to ensure that we make it fully search engine friendly or user friendly. Alright friends, that whole process along with the various activities that are carried out within it to enhance the website performance is widely known as on-page SEO, okay? Now, it can be for a complete website or it can be for some specific web pages within that particular website. So basically, on-page SEO is a comprehensive process where we optimize various aspects of our website so that it can rank higher on search engine and attract more organic traffic, ultimately improving its engagement. In this process, the website's structure, content and other important parameters and aspects are carefully taken into consideration. So today we clearly understood in very simple and easy to follow language what on-page SEO is. Now, as I said, I will guide you step by step on how to do it practically in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, friends, and stay tuned.